The death toll from Myanmar's earthquake rose to 3,564, with 5,012 people injured and 210 still missing as of Sunday evening, according to the information team of Myanmar's State Administration Council. A powerful 7.9 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar at 12:51 local time on March 28. According to the country's Department of Meteorology and Hydrology, a total of 89 aftershocks, ranging in magnitude from 2.8 to 7.5, had been recorded by Sunday. Myanmar's neighbors, such as China, India, and other Southeast Asian nations, also helped Myanmar by dispatching relief supplies and rescuers to aid the recovery effort in quake-hit areas home to about 28 million people.